have two different kind of mints, but I forgot what to call this one. This one is sweet mint. This is came from all the way to West Palm. Beautiful. And also my okra coming. It's still a baby. And all my tomatoes still growing. Basil over there. And my cat over there. And also I have nursery eggplant here. They're such a beauty. And rosemary, so I'm gonna make roast pork for this. I'm gonna use that for roast pork. And what is this again? Zucchini, or I don't know. They're always like just growing some flowers, but I don't see any fruit coming. And I have ano tawag dito? Figs. They're growing too. So hopefully they survive. Just bought that like weeks ago and planted. Another chili in my John lemon. They're growing too. Oh, I don't know what happened to my pineapple. It turned yellow. Okay, I'm going to harvest this now because it's not growing more, and I don't want the bird or rabbit or squirrel. I don't know, squirrel eat this. So I don't want them to eat this one. So I'm going to harvest it now before it's too late. There you go. Yeah, and I got small, cute bell pepper. Second time harvest. So here it guys. I harvest my small bell pepper, and I'm gonna use this for egg omelette tomorrow morning. I can't wait to make some recipe from this. And also have more peppers coming. It's still growing, and I can't wait to grow. I wait them to give me some pepper, some fruits. So I'll show you guys the update about my plants. Okay, see you guys next time.